Friday night food fights.
What's up, cats and kittens? DJ Cupcake is back with more from the micromachines. Last week's race was crazy, but I can guarantee you this week's is gonna be crazier. There's all the micromachines, modified micro machines made for racing, made for speed, made for your enjoyment. So let's see how we're gonna score them. Every Friday night, we'll run 6 heats and 2 main races. The cream will rise to the top and meet in the head-to-head feature. 1 point will be given to each heat winner, and they get 2 points for winning a main or feature race. Now that's enough of that, let's get to what you came for. We'll kick off the party with heat number 1. There's Griffin Cross, Clyde, and Sweet Tea off to the right-hand side. Here they go, and Clyde splits the difference to slide on in for a sweet, sweet victory. You can see Griffin Cross and Sweet Tea try to take him out, but they hit each other instead. Our second heat is gonna feature number 2 in points. That's Triple B. There's Rich the Fixer and Chicken George. They are tied up neck and neck. We had some 3-wide racing there, folks. But Triple B in the tiger stripes comes out on top. Now watch this, they all bump and grind, but Triple B is the one that finds the finish line first. Now for heat number 3, we're gonna have number 33 in the middle, John Receiver, flanked by Big C and Doug Whippin' Asher. Big C and Receiver get into it, and Whippin' Asher goes across sideways. But any way you can win, that's how you gotta win when you're Whippin' Asher. Now we'll have Paul Spink, Mama G, and Randall Ferocious. Spink, the only one here with a heat win from last week. Oh baby, Mama G is making them all look like babies tonight. Look at how smooth she be, coming straight down the gut and getting to the finish line. Heat 5 heating up here with some heavy hitters. That's Tooth Fairy, Kappa Deluxe, and Bug. Kappa Deluxe, oh! Tooth Fairy out of nowhere. Look at him go, folks. Look at this. Tooth Fairy with a big pass as Kappa just slams into the wall. Now, if you remember last week, Roboto had to get a new truck. Well, it just rolled off the flatbed. Alright, that's enough of that. Let's see what Glitter Bomb can do on the track. Cause right now he's taking on some big boys. He's over there on the left, Roboto, but in the middle, that's the Avocado and Chance Roller. But Glitter Bomb with the bucket up takes them all. There he is, Glitter Bomb just coming across. No competition. He's making it. So there's all of our heat winners for this week. Heading on in to the main races now. The A main has 3 guys that have been here before. Clyde, Triple B, and Doug Whippin' Asher. Pretty close, looked like Triple B tripped him up to get out front, but we're gonna go to the replay. Triple B and Clyde get into it right off the bat, and Duck is just doing his own thing. Passes Clyde, passes Triple B, and heads on in for a surprise victory. Here comes our B main. Hopefully it's more exciting racing like the last one. There's Rubber Toe, our points leader, Mama G, and Tooth Fairy. And folks, for the first time, Rubber Toe loses a main race, and Mama G is doing it to him. Moving on to the finals. And here's two new feature racers. Neither one has ever been in a feature race here at the countertop drag strip at Granny's Kitchen. That's Dirk Whippin' Asher and Mama G. Oh, they get into it, and Whippin' Asher takes the win away from Mama G. You see, Whippin' Asher plows her into the wall and takes it. So Dirk Whippin' Asher is tonight's champion in the micro mods. Let's check on the points. Rubber Toe still on top with Triple B right behind him. But that win tonight propelled Dirk Whippin' Asher into third place over Big C, Clyde, Griffin Cross, and Mama G rounding out the 3-pointers there. Now let's kick it over to my man, the Screaming Man. Well, we got a new song, but it's the same old duck. That's Mega G and Cool McDuckface. And the challenger tonight is Optimus driving in Orion Pax.
Race 1. Optimus wins. Race 2. Optimus wins on both.
And the duck goes down after a 3-week reign of terror. Cool McDuckface takes the back seat, and Optimus is our new champion. He'll be back next week to take on another challenger.
And now for the main event.
Defending his title for the very first time, it's Speedy G and Tacos and Fuego. And you know him, you love him, it's Fractal Panda. He's back again in burnt toast.
Race 1.
Last night I did this on a feel career. Watch it take a hit. There was good shoes, you can sit in that you do. They went
Speedy G wins.
sitting at it, they were getting ready.
Race 2.
Jake was waiting and anticipated. I started to
Speedy G wins them both.
just to ease the strain. They on home, they shade, they went
And the 5-time Food Fights champion goes down a little too easy this time, as Speedy G retains his title and Fractal Panda goes home empty-handed. We're gonna see next week if Speedy G can keep the podium yet again as we come back here to Rust Belt Diecast Racing and Friday Night Food Fights. Thanks for watching, everybody.
got it in